why is your one side growing faster than the other side. Okay, so in your training journey, you probably realize that one side of your body may be growing faster than the other side. Hopefully not too much. But is this a cause of concern? The question is no. Okay, but you would probably want to know why is this happening so that you can kind of work your way around this. Alright, I am now going to be assuming that you are choosing to work out your left and right side pretty much equally. Alright, so meaning that if you choose to do 12 reps on your left side, there is no reason for you to do only 5 reps on the right side. Okay, if that's the case and we are making sure that the assumption is valid, then we can go on to really understand why is your one side growing faster than the other side. Okay, one thing, or the first thing to acknowledge, is the fact that your body is actually not symmetrical. Alright, it may not look like it, but most of the time, or all the time, one side limbs may be a bit longer or a bit shorter than the other side, and your joints may then be affected to be in different positions compared to the other side. Okay, what this means is leverage wise, in terms of, let's say, a bicep curl, the leverage that you're going to be getting on one side is different from the other side, and that will lead to very different extent of muscle activation, even though you are doing, let's say, bicep curls on both left and right hand independently. Okay, and because of the difference in muscle activation, and also the fact that you are probably inclined to be stronger on one side than the other side, what's going to happen is you will have a tendency to be able to grow one side more than the other. Okay, but if this goes on and on, are you going to grow one side all the way like to double the size of the other side? Probably not, and I would say definitely not, because your body wants to balance itself out. Okay, but you definitely don't want to risk that also. So what I would recommend is for you to actually go ahead and train. If you do train your left and right side independently, train the weaker side first. Okay, so if you do a bicep curl and you don't do them simultaneously, go ahead and train your weaker side first. For me, that's my left side. So I'll train my left side first, and I will stop at whatever rep count my left side fails at first. Okay, and I will never exceed the rep count on my stronger side. So that means if I fail at the 10th rep on my bicep curl on my left side, my weaker side, I will definitely not go beyond 10 reps on my right side, even if I can do 15 reps on my right arm. Okay, this at least try to balance out the strength on both sides, but also know technically you can still go ahead and do 15 reps on the right side if you want to just get stronger. Okay, so learning that there is a difference on the left and right side is very critical, because you can then adjust your training accordingly, especially if there is a lagging or weaker side that you need to bring up so that your overall body strength gets developed. Okay, so something to think about, and something really interesting that you might want to factor into your workout design. Okay, keep going, keep growing, keep getting better.